good night.
Well, here I am filming my third video this week because my friends are bullying me too. But this is the fit we got on. New Carson Racing tee. We got gray jeans. Gotta match the orange. But we're now going to a meet. It's the Chazzy and Schaefchen meet. We'll see how it is. Usually gets pretty crazy. My anxiety's probably gonna kick in. I'm probably gonna like run into a corner, but let's get it here. Yeah, we just got here, but this is quick little fitty with the new Carson Racing tees, you know, designed in-house. We gotta hit that orange though, matching orange sneaks. But yeah, we're gonna go inside, at least attempt to, and find all the homies, so. Got Brennan's car.
I have like 10 G's on my car. It's like, bro, if that shit goes on fire.
Doing your project right now alone is over 10
Bro,
G's.
when you're 10 G's in and your car still don't run on jacks for 3 months.
It's okay, I'm joining you there. Just about time, but got Brennan's wide body soup. Shit's fire. Best car in here for sure. We need a statement.
I mean, well, we're in a warehouse, and there's some sick cars in here already, and we just got here. So...
You just got here.
Yeah, I just got here too.
Huh?
So we're just gonna see what happens within the next 3 hours, and then yeah, we'll be late with cars.
Where's the Chazmobile?
Oh, that's it. That thing's tucked off. It's tucked off. It's not time. It's time for these other cars to shine.
I don't think that's real.
AI, right?
Make sure he gets close to the wall. Yeah, make sure he's close to the
We got this tweaker. Got Tyler. Just the little geek. You really got a wide variety of things in here. We got the wide body. We got Aiden's car. Mark Beams, JDM's. The V in the corner. My Peep. More beams. All blacked out though. Oh.
That'll totally fit in the spot.
This is the reason I'm deaf. It's because these.
That one specifically?
Nope, the black one that has this side exit.
That will definitely.
Definitely cooked me. After that day, I've been a changed man. More beam skis, more of my kind, my people. We got Smurf's car. Zach? He flaked but still made it. We got Will. Oh, this is his new route. Where'd your wing go? Huh? Hello? She's me. Roll the windows up to hide, but they're not tinted. But they give you that security. Gotta watch out. La-dee-dee-la-dee-da. It's like 10 cars in and my anxiety's already through the panic.
There you go, my big fan.
Freaking Surge. You want the Rari? Pick your car out of here. Your fave car. Don't tell me it's Zach.
Taking that CTS wagon right there for the family.
Has a whole ass shark blue GT3.
What's up, G?
Heller. Chat. I've slowly given up on the vlog, but RX-7.
Using his light.
Watch out! Hands up! Bend over! Just straight working. Oh, everybody lining up behind while I'm here, just like
Orange.
if I had a GT3, bro, I'd be repping Jingle Bells, Jingle Balls. She said. No. I unfortunately can't either.
Oh no, we have to leave.
Oh shit.
How
Oh
sad.
shit. Uh-oh.
Yo, LA, good night. We see you again tomorrow or something. I don't know.
You probably can't even hear anything. At least
Starting. Bye.
Bye.
Literally.
Night was going and then the concrete block just gets dropped from,
You know when a homeless person just wants to throw some shit off the freeway, bro?
yeah, this and then hit the cars behind it. Bro, that's insane.
Bro, like, look, it literally cut it.
That's what I'm saying.
Sliced. It's literally sliced, bro.
Bro, if this was the M4, we would have been cooked. The carbon fiber roof can barely hold me. Concrete block though. Yeah. GG's.
Y'all think it's total?
What a night though, bro. It was going good. Got really tired. Everyone started revving. Got really tired. Was really tired. He was tired. All the homies were tired, so everybody left. And then this happens. GG's.
I'm hoping for E92 boys. I'm hoping they total it.
I hope so too for you. But I'll see y'all in the next video, I guess. Peace.